Welcome to All Pro Overhead Garage Doors in Roseville. We are your trusted experts for LiftMaster garage door installation and repair, dedicated to enhancing your home's security and convenience. Our professional team specializes in installing high-quality LiftMaster garage doors and openers, offering advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity, quiet operation, and superior durability. With expert craftsmanship and precision, we ensure a seamless installation tailored to your needs. Residents in Roseville rely on All Pro Overhead Garage Doors for top-tier service, reliability, and industry expertise. Whether you need a new LiftMaster garage door, opener installation, or repairs, we are committed to delivering excellence. Ready to upgrade to a LiftMaster garage door? Contact All Pro Overhead Garage Doors today. Call 916-628-3639 or email allprozakdoors@gmail.com for expert service. All Pro Overhead Garage Doors, your go-to experts for LiftMaster garage doors in Roseville.